Now, healing for the Anahat chakra, the heart chakra. It is located in the center of the chest, both the lungs at the center towards the left side distilled, we all know. So, this Anahat Shakti Kendra is more associated with heart, blood, respiratory system, and the circulatory system. It works with the element of wind, that's Vayu Tattva. Now, how we go, the chakra has love, affection, compassionate feelings. The more we heal this chakra, it brings our nature to the original state, our natural nature. It gets us more connected and healed in the nature, that's in the green color of nature. When blocked or imbalanced, we have lot of grief, lot of hidden things within the depth of heart, and this long lasting hidden griefs within takes the shape of diseases of coronary heart diseases or BPs getting shot up. Even this can lead to strokes. Now, the difficulty of forming and staying in relationship is also one of the imbalance we get. We become clingy and needy and sabotage relationships. When we are heartbroken, then we have an imbalance in this chakra. Physical problems can range from asthma, BP, or lung problems. To balance this chakra, perform act of kindness, wear green, avoid self-criticism. When balanced, we feel unconditional love and affection with self, and we start giving to others. Now the mudra. For the woman, touch the thumb and ring finger of the left hand. For the left hand for the woman, and for touching the same thing, the thumb and this ring finger, gentle touch for the men. This is the mudra we will keep. The beach mantra of this is Yam. So you'll chant with me with the vowel sound Ah. The affirmation we need to give with this mudra may be in this position around the chest region, heart region, this way, or you can have both the hands to have right balance. And you may start chanting either this way, the way you can wish to have the position of your hands in the very articulate way. Give yourself an affirmation and then I love myself and give love to all. I deserve love and my emotions are in harmony with my energy. It is safe to have affection and emotional giving unconditionally to everyone. I am open to giving and receiving the unconditional affection. I forgive myself and others, and in the forgiving others, I heal myself and others. Now chant Yum. 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 Relax. You may chant it for 9 times and heal it. Visualize that all your blockages are getting removed, that your virus, whatever inside, is just getting eliminated and removed from within. Thank you.